1 time, 2 time, 3 time, yeah, and the next time, yeah, we never cut it again, mankind. It's so me and say, we have to shine. Yeah, man, cause me under the gym there, I'm fit and ready in position. Yeah, man. See that the gym there, you know?
me I tell you, say, it's funny.
Yeah.
But we have to just take it easy, you know?
If we just take it easy, my brother.
Welcome one and all.
Yeah,
they are back again, you know?
They are back again, you know? Yeah. So me I tell you about this hombre where one sitting for barra from a man. I man donkey in one for barra, you know, for carry water, you know. So it's like a me come to, you know that the gym. I want a donkey for barra for go use for carry water, you know. And me did it. Turn up in a one bag of chatting and I talk about this and I talk about last year thing. So one next man I come from way away, you know, and come there and want a donkey, you know, and just come and say, no disrespect, excuse me, me say you know a reason. I grew up with discipline, me have manners. You know say a donkey me come for barra, brother. Here a man will come we did come the first. And you know say I same thing me come for. The man say chatting you know. If you did come for barra donkey, you then just licking nail on the head. So I saw it on. We just start getting real. How me sound?
I say go yes. Cause like a man.
What you say about him, man?
And that man we come a barra donkey now. He ain't come for barra donkey. He come for whole argument that tell about people business. But like a man come for 5 stone now, why don't you hear load this bucket for stone?
Yeah.
He come right away.
So you just come right away.
Yeah. That man don't come to chat no business. At donkey he come for. But he want a business, he come to chat part of people business.
And you have one next man hungry. I want one head of cabbage, you know. And he come and see man in a drum, you know. And he did a chatter, and one whole argument, you know. And one woman a pass and just say, "Oi, beg you to head of cabbage, you know." The man say, "And you know, say I go, but anyway, me I go cut one gear." Boop. As the man start cut the cabbage for the woman, you know. Here in there somebody. And you know, say a cabbage, me left fi come beg you. The man say, "No." Just show people say you just licking here straight from here. Whether you're using a hammer or you're using a sledge, just licking here straight from here.
No, Miss Ante.
No Miss Ante.
That's it.
Yeah, man. Straight vibes, man.
Again, we think that we go on nowadays, so we sit around, you know.
Yeah.
I said that we go on because it take too long, you have to go share with somebody, you know.
That anything done too long, serve two master. Two master can rule one place. And one master for the car, next master go on like him bigger and this one and this one go on like him bigger and this one, you know. And that's why I love going for doing that gym because me and you got one piece of contract, you know. We did there now. And when some of the company the work and so we did, they don't know if I boss or me I boss, you know. Like two with us, you need and then same thing there. You see me at it?
I just move like one.
I just move like one, brother.
But
you see me?
Me want problem doing a man, Charlie.
Yeah.
I want back the little shop.
I want to build back the little shop there.
I want back the little shop, man, but I can't, I can't see what I want.
I mean, we know where you're going to stay. Me see her show me one bill what there. And I want somebody build that.
And if you go up me back now, I'm going to do the same thing.
I want somebody build, you know, in a Richie cut this yet, you know, ideal, you know. Some man in mention somebody cut this and somebody hacks.
And the pickaxe too.
And the pickaxe and the shovel. You trust something in your life in a trouble.
And then say if you trust people.
And then say if you trust people.
If you trust people, you never weak.
But the Bible says you know if you trust your own and see that you still trust somebody who you know your own. And then fuck up.
And mash up.
And mash up. And pop up.
Let me tell you.
This is what me I try to show you, Dan.
Let me tell you.
So, people from the old, not easy, Dan. But anyway, we could give thanks to life, you know.
If we don't give thanks to life, God will take our blessing.
God will take our blessing, Daddy. So we try to do there and I try to do good.
But still in the master, no, nothing but you open about the shop still there now.
If you open the back, man,
Nothing but
I want good spot there, you know.
Yeah, but I'm afraid of the people them. People, after the people them, I'm afraid of them.
Yes.
Because they are wicked,
Man. And I want thing with the shop this run the shop, you know. Up there, sexy girl come down there, you know.
And them wicked.
One night, this is me guy just a roll out of my head like say we girl them backside. Pretty, you know, Dan.
And some pretty close. And
some pretty close for them, man.
And when I walk from them walk money. Take with the money.
Take with the money money. Take with the money money.
Take with the money. Take with the money.
This one pass me to blood plate. He like the way my wine and I sit like him I say, buy me some. Take with the money. Take with the money. Customers make him and them go spend money.
That's why I keep both you make them because we don't want to make money together. Take away money. And if you money, I spend all them picking money.
You know that me I tell you, so come one local man come the one night and him did ya spend. And when he did ya spend and one cigarette and dip in his pocket, he can't find $1 EM. God, I figure I pick this old money. See a guy girl them.
Money still.
I have to make money.
I want to make some money.
And we are going to make it, you know?
No money because we didn't call it brick, palm brick.
Brick, palm brick.
Yeah,
brick,
palm
brick.
Yeah,
brick, palm brick. So when you have brick, palm brick, you know, you have to get them with the brazier, palm brazier, and slip, palm slip. So you can't miss.
Money more.
I don't see money.
Really,
And when you have money, you have everything.
You have everything. You have your little son and your little daughter, they were comfortable.
Yeah.
Them are going to have the girl and the man, them palm brick.
Yeah, because we have to set a space with them, you know, and not make them hungry, you know. Because I prefer sit down a yard and know say me hungry, you know.
Than if you know say them hungry.
More than if you know say them hungry, you know, Dan. Because I just imagine when we hungry how we hot, you know.
But although they say we have to do it, but one skip and drink one rum and hold a vibe. But the poor little infant, them can't do that.
Can't do that.
They want food in the structure
In the structure here to get firm. Because they don't hit food and get firm. Them are going maga and look like they have worm.
And not even learn go to school.
And not even learn. Then see here and I see a B. Then see C and I see a he. Then see he and I see a she.
Alright.
Then see him and I see a she.
Alright.
Then turn he idiot.
Everything wrong.
Everything wrong. So without food in your belly, you're weak.
That's why we have to work hard and have the money kind of brick palm brick.
Yeah, brick palm brick.
I food that. If we're not doing food, we have a week.
I money a food thing, man. I money a food thing. Yeah, man. People, subscribe, comment, and share. I live a lifestyle, big up yourself. There again, you know.
Bust the place.
Bust the place. And then the second or first the place. Don't cuss the place.